हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम संदीप वर्मा और लोग मुझे प्यार से सैंडी बुलाते हैं और अब बार इंडस्ट्री और मेरे गेस्ट मुझे इसी नाम से जानते हैं। आई बीन इन दी हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री सिंस 1990 एंड आई वाज इंस्पिरेशनल इन ओपनिंग इंडियाज फर्स्ट बार स्कूल इन 1996। ये जर्नी मेरे लिए काफ़ी एनलाइटनिंग रही है। ओवर द जर्नी ऑफ 30 years, I've been able to learn and develop myself, and I've been soaking experiences across the globe. When I say across the globe, in 30 years, I've met many bartenders, some of them world class bartenders, and they've all been very inspirational to me. And before I tell you more about my success story, I would like to share two secrets of my success. First, I always saved money. Secondly, I always saved time every year for my learning, my development, my education, and my travels. Travels are very important to me. At a very young age, I used to aspire कि मैं विदेश जाऊं और अब्रॉड में नई नई चीज़ें देखूं, कुछ सीखूं और अपना लाइफस्टाइल को इम्प्रूव करूं. Lifestyle has been very important to me, and financial freedom has been very important to me. So I always aspired for it. And by traveling, you learn about cultures of people, their festivals, local ingredients, how they use those ingredients in their cocktails. And it was all a learning phase for me. It is still now. I still save money and time every year to travel. So, at a very young, early age, I got the opportunity to work in Dubai. I went to Dubai and working as a bartender, I got the opportunity to participate in the bar competition of Gulf countries. I did manage to reach semi-finals, could not go beyond that, and I was a little heartbroken. Every young guy would be when they aspire to win the competition, but you don't make it till there. But it was not a hindrance to me, it was a learning phase for me. Every failure taught me something. It was like a challenge for me to overcome that failure in the next attempt. तो मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सीखा और कुछ सालों के बाद आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ट्रैवल टू लंडन टू अटेंड सम बार शोज एंड दैट वाज एन आई ओपनर फॉर मी. व्हेन आई वेंट टू लंडन आई सॉ and met international bartenders performing at a different level altogether. That inspired me to get some bartenders to India to train my team, and also I learned something very interesting, something called bar theatre. So that was a very interesting concept for me, and I brought those concepts to India. So जब आप ये सब सीखते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस लेते हैं, you come back to India, apply that, you start getting popular. So I'm just simultaneously telling you my journey and story. उसके बाद मैं दोबारा लंदन गया. WSET वाइन एंड स्पिरिट एजुकेशन ट्रस्ट से मैंने कुछ कोर्सेज किए, कुछ लेवल्स क्वालिफाई किए और वाइन्स के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत और जानना शुरू किया. बट नाउ आई वॉज मोर इंट्रीग्ड, तो मैं गया फ्रांस एंड आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग इन द वीनयार्ड्स इन बोर्डो. When I worked in Bordeaux, I learnt a lot by interacting with some wine producers, soaking into their knowledge. और वहाँ पे मुझे पता चला about variety of grapes, types of soil, how they influence the weather, the temperature, and it was all new to me. So ये सीखने के बाद मैं गया स्पेन और स्पेन में मैंने शेरी प्रोडक्शन देखा, सीखा. कुछ अच्छे बारों में गया लाइक कैफ़े डेल मार, एंड उस टाइप में गाना भी आता था कैफ़े डेल मार का. सो ये मेरी एस्पिरेशन थी टू गो टू वेरियस बार्स, इंटरेक्ट विद बारटेंडर्स, लर्न फ्रॉम देम, इंटरेक्ट विद देम. और वहाँ से फिर मैं गया जर्मनी टू लर्न मोर अबाउट ब्रूइंग एंड बियर्स. पर ये सब एक के बाद एक नहीं हुआ, ये हर साल होता रहा क्योंकि मैं वापस इंडिया आता था, काम करता था, अपने एक्सपीरियंस को डालता था, थोड़े पैसे और कमाता था, बचाता था और टाइम निकाल के फिर ट्रैवल करता था. सो उसके बाद मुझे मौका मिला स्कॉटलैंड जाने का, आयरलैंड जाने का. आई वॉज मेस्मराइज्ड बाय द क्राफ्ट ऑफ मेकिंग विस्की एंड द वे दे टेक प्राइड इन मेकिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट. और उससे मेरे को एक चीज़ आई, ये लिक्विड्स की रिस्पेक्ट करने की, एक क्राफ्टमैनशिप को रिस्पेक्ट करने की, उसकी गहराई तक जाने के लिए, हाउ दे डिस्क्राइब द विस्कीज वाइल अप्रिशिएटिंग इट, एंड दैट वाज अ न्यू लर्निंग फॉर मी. देन आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क in Croatia, in Macedonia, and I traveled to Maldives, Sri Lanka, और मुझे मौका मिला थाईलैंड में काम करने का इन याओ नोई. इट्स एन आइलैंड जहाँ पे एक प्रॉपर्टी सिक्स सेंसेस, एंड आई वॉज कॉल्ड टू सर्व द प्रिंसेस ऑफ मोरक्को फॉर 10 days and cater to her beverage solutions. And that was a peak and a high of my life, because when you are serving उस लेवल के लोगों को, which are the state heads and the state premiers or the country premiers, it's a matter of pride for me. And I learnt a lot there also of local ingredients, how Thai people use everything from the nature. And that gave me an idea to start using organic things. And it improved my craft all the more. I brought back to India, started making my own syrups and cordials. और उसके बाद मैं गया सिंगापुर. और जब सिंगापुर गया, I took my team along with me and we were there for 3 months, and we were working day and night because we had to actually design a bar, open the bar, and design special curated menu on Indian theme. So Indian flavors, but international style mein. So that was a new learning for me. We also got the opportunity, me and my friend Clayton, we opened a wine store with 1,000 labels. और वो 1,000 labels को कैटेगराइज करना, उसका मेन्यू बनाना और उसके टेस्टिंग नोट्स लिखना, इट वॉज अ ब्रिलियंट एक्सपीरियंस ऑल टुगेदर. इट वॉज टायरिंग, बट लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट ओवरटेक्स योर टायर्डनेस. सो ऐसे ही करते 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 मैं जब इंडिया भी आता था तो आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग मोर पॉपुलर एंड पीपल स्टार्टेड हायरिंग माई सर्विसेज, वेयर आई वर्कड फ्रॉम श्रीनगर टू कन्याकुमारी, from Western Ghats or Mumbai or Goa to east side to Kolkata or Guwahati and every state in between. तो जैसे जैसे मैं ट्रैवल करता गया, मुझे हर प्रांत, हर प्रदेश, हर देश के लोगों से मिलने का मौका मिला, उनसे इंटरेक्ट करने का मौका मिला, सीखने के लिए मिला. और मैं वहाँ के लोकल इंग्रेडिएंट्स देखता रहा, लोगों के नए नए बारटेंडिंग स्टाइल्स सीखता रहा और वो सब इनकॉर्पोरेट करता रहा अपने क्राफ्ट में. So this was how I developed myself. And I kept on doing more courses, kept on reading more books and encyclopedias, और knowledge बढ़ती चली गई और ये एक addiction बन गई. And actually this addiction helped me for my success, because the more knowledge, more experience and more skills you put in, and you become more popular. So that's the law of nature. और जब आप इतना कुछ experience कर लेते हैं तो मुझे मौका मिला to curate beverage programs for liquor brands, for 5-star hotels or chain restaurants. I got opportunity to develop conceptual and thematic cocktail menus. I also was instrumental in training a lot of bartenders, and slowly and gradually I got into consulting. When you got into consulting, I have been involved in 42 projects, starting from zero by drawing the layouts to actually coordinating with vendors. और मुझे एहसास हुआ कि स्टील कैसा होता है, लकड़ी कौन सी यूज़ होनी है, चेयर के डिज़ाइन कैसे होंगे, एसी कैसे चलेगा, HVAC कैसे इंस्टॉल होगा, और ये सब नॉलेज मैं सोक करता चला गया. एंड इट हेल्प मी टू बिकम अ कंसल्टेंट. सो आई फिनिश्ड अराउंड 42 प्रोजेक्ट्स इन माई लाइफ टिल डेट, एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ इट. This is not a small feat, traveling 22 countries and soaking experiences and putting into use. So I feel very privileged and I am very grateful कि मुझे ये मौका मिला because of those two habits of saving time and saving money and investing it every year on yourself. So moving forward, then I started getting invited as a bar jury for bar competitions. I organized few of my own by the name Bar Wizard in early 2000s. But then I started concentrating on other parameters of the business and started developing myself in multi-channels, that today I run a very successful bar company which has got 3 verticals. First is the bar school, which I spoke about, which was established in 1996. And since 1996 till date, कोई 16,000 बच्चे मेरे academy से pass out हो चुके हैं. And I'm very proud of their achievements because some of them are global bartenders working at a world-class level. Some of them have opened their own bars. Some of them are the brand ambassadors to liquor brands. And some of them are actually in the similar business like mine, जहाँ पे they are doing beverage catering. Now, simultaneously in 1996, I also opened the Elco Beverage Catering Company, and it was catering to the small format and the large format. The small format being the home bars where people threw parties at home and invited some guests. So we started giving them an experience of classy and well curated menus at home and serving them with panache and class. So that became very popular. And on the larger format, we were doing weddings for the affluent families. Some of them were royal weddings, and we were catering to the state heads or large corporations So it was all in all a beautiful journey, and we're still doing that and expanding day by day. Now coming to the third vertical, the consulting. The consulting to the food and beverage sector and the hospitality industry, we have been instrumental in making business plans, making concepts, curating menus, making the training programs, or even helping them with vendors and supply chain management, or bringing in processes. So it's all under one roof, where we even look after the brand and the brand equity and enhance the enterprise value. We also do the data analytics and the audits to see if the organization is going on the right track. Now, when I talk about 1996, in those days there were hardly any players in the market. Very few names come to my mind. In those times, there was Miss Shadbi Basu, my friend Niren Tiwari, Yangdub Lama, Irfan Ahmed from Kolkata. So ये हम चार पांच प्लेयर्स थे. There was a gentleman by the name Edgar Noordamus who had come from Holland. So हम ये पाँच छः लोग थे जो इस इंडस्ट्री को आगे इवॉल्व कर रहे थे और अपने रिसोर्सेज के हिसाब से इस इंडस्ट्री को कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे थे और डेवलप कर रहे थे. येस, देयर वाज अर्निंग फॉर अस because we had to do the business, but there was a lot of passion for all of us, which is a common thing which bound us. और ये जो passion है, this binds similar tribe, and जब हम tribe की बात करते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं community. तो हमारी अपनी एक बार community है और ये over the 3 decades इतनी evolve हो चुकी है. Second generation के bartenders आए थे and they're still there in the industry, like Rohan Karwalo और Sharik Khan and many more names. And then the young generation which came and evolved in the last 10 years, they have done so much to the industry. So we all inspire each other, or we get inspired by each other. We contribute to the community and the society. It's time to give back. But I would say community has also recognized my efforts, and I have been awarded the Mixologist of the Year on numerous occasions. My menus have been awarded the best cocktail menu over the years, and recently I was awarded the most prestigious award of this industry, the Brand Ambassador of the Industry by Spirits Award 2019. Now, this is a matter of pride for me, for sure, but with pride and joy comes the responsibility also. So I'm making this course because I want to reach out to maximum number of people with my learnings, my skills, and my experience. I want to give back, and when you give back, you further develop yourself. So the whole idea of designing this course is to give back and help people in their aspirations or their experiences. और अब हम बात करेंगे कि इस कोर्स में क्या करेंगे.